Roasting log. This quick lighting fire log is ready to cook in under 5 minutes, so you can enjoy s'mores, hot dogs and other light cooking with your friends and family around the campfire, fire pit or fireplace. Ready to cook. Made with food-grade ingredients, this fire log is ideal for roasting marshmallows and other camp food fare. It's perfect for use in campfires, outdoor fire pits and indoor fireplaces. Better than firewood. Our fire logs and firestarters are faster and easier to light, and they burn cleaner and greener than firewood with a predictable burn time, less ash, less cleanup, and no insects. Clean and green. Our fire logs produce up to 80% less carbon monoxide and 75% less particulate matter. Nearly all the materials in our products are made from renewable resources. Guaranteed fire, fast. We bring you the finest quality, American-made products that make it easy for you and your family to cozy up in front of the fireplace or campfire, with a simple strike of a match. Top reviews from the United States. Perfect. First of all, I saw a few reviews saying these don't burn. They burn perfectly fine, but it does help to throw some sticks under them for kindling. Secondly, these are the perfect size for what I was looking for. I like to have a quick chimenea fire on my porch and other logs burn for way too long. They also smell good and don't produce too much smoke.